Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see from the time of my last upload, this video took a lot longer than expected. Every time I start something, I tell myself, this is going to be a chill piece. But no, it always turns into a session of the tortured artist. I haven't painted bokeh in a while and I thought I'd up my bokeh game with a forest of bokeh. I feel a bit mixed about this. Rather experimental. In some angles, I think the blurry effect turned out pretty nicely. However, up close, it feels a little underwhelming. This painting is inspired by a first person's perspective of waking up in a forest when your eyes are half closed and the sun is beaming through the trees, drops of morning dew on the grass and fresh forest mist. That is me romanticizing camping. Do I actually like camping? No, I absolutely hate it. My problem is that I tend to romanticize a lot of things, but the idea of it, expectations versus reality, always turns out to be a bucket of cold shower. Unless it's glamping, and in fall, with a proper shower, toilet and a comfy bed, then perhaps. Anyway, like I said, this was pretty experimental. I start off with priming the canvas in a shade of burnt umber and then I map up the trees and light. The white circles are supposed to be where the light shines through the branches, or the opening of the trees, and the rest of it I was just trying to wing it as I go along. Will I actually paint something similar in the future? It really depends. For the moment, I'm not too fond of painting another 10,000 circles again. But anyway, I'm glad that this is done and over with. I hope you like this painting. Hence, without further ado, let's begin.
I've seen the world, done it all, had my cake now. Diamonds brilliant and brilliant now. Hot summer nights, mid-July, when you and I were forever wild. The crazy days, city lights, the way you play with me like a child. Will you still love me when I'm no longer young and beautiful? Will you still love me when I got nothing but my aching soul? I know you will, I know you will, I know that you will. Will you still love me when I'm no longer beautiful? I've seen the world, lit it up as my stage now. Channeling angels in the new age now. Hot summer days, rock and roll, the way you play for me at your show. And all the ways I got to know the pretty face and electric soul. Will you still love me when I'm no longer young and beautiful? Will you still love me when I got nothing but my aching soul? I know you will, I know you will, I know that you will. Will you still love me when I'm no longer Please don't fail me now. Take me to the finish line. All my heart it breaks every step that I take, but I'm hoping at the gates they'll tell me that you're mine. Walking through the city streets, is it by mistake or design? I feel so alone on the Friday nights. Can you make it feel like home if I tell you you're mine? It's like I told you, honey. Don't make me sad, don't make me cry. Sometimes love is not enough and the road gets tough. I don't know why. Keep making me laugh. Let's go get high. The road is long, we carry on. Try to have fun in the meantime. Come take a walk on the wild side. Let me kiss you hard in the pouring rain. You're like your cousin say. So choose your last words. This is the last time. 'Cause you and I, we were born to die. But now I am found. I can see, but once I was blind. I was so confused as a little child, trying to take what I could get, scared that I couldn't find all the answers, honey. Don't make me sad, don't make me cry. Sometimes love is not enough and the road gets tough. I don't know why. Keep making me laugh. Let's go get high. The road is long, we carry on. Try to have fun in the meantime. Come and take a walk on the wild side. Let me kiss you hard in the pouring rain. You're like your cousin say. So choose your last words. This is the last time. 'Cause you and I, we were born to die. We were born to die. We were born to die. Come take a walk on the wild side. Let me kiss you hard in the pouring rain. You're like your cousin say. So don't make me sad, don't make me cry. Sometimes love is not enough and the road gets tough. I don't know why. Keep making me laugh. Let's go get high. The road is long, we carry on. Try to have fun in the meantime. Come take a walk on the wild side. Let me kiss you hard in the pouring rain. You're like your cousin say. So choose your last words. This is the last time. 'Cause you and I, we were born to die. We were born to die. We were born